Okay, I am good. Okay, I will share to you the screen. Ah, Today we're going to talk about wait, ano upset man din. Okay, that one a little bit. Okay, so let us have here losing or dead battery. What do you think of the dead battery? What is dead battery for you? Okay, so what do you think about the dead battery? Okay, what is dead battery?
I think that battery is
It's like
when is when we use the phone too much. It is dead battery.
yeah, when you use phone too much, okay, it is dead battery. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here. Tama na, Diyos. Kalit kita na, Diyos. Oo na. Okay. So what might you do if you're out shopping and your phone's battery dies? What might you do if you're out shopping and your phone's battery dies? What might you do? Example, you go shopping and then your battery dies and you want to contact your mom because you lost in the supermarket. What you were gonna do? Pwede lang po sa dito. Ang MAP. Tapos, sabi, ginana ko sa bala na ulan. Patungkol. Ayun. Ay, dugay dito po. Ay, dugay dito po mata. Ay, Sabado. Okay, what might you do if you're out shopping and your phone's battery dies and then you lost in the supermarket? You cannot contact your mom. What you will gonna do, Carol? So tell me what you will gonna do. Or you will gonna cry? You will gonna yell out? What you will gonna do? Like, oh my God! Oh, you will gonna yell out? Or what you will gonna do? You speak up. Do not right, huh? Speak up. What you will gonna do?
Think when I am out shopping and my phone is battery dies,
Hmm. Okay,
I
so English day.
might borrow
You will?
borrow
You will borrow. Borrow what?
I borrow a phone charger.
You're gonna borrow a phone charger. You will going to borrow the phone charger.
I think I can borrow the secretary
Okay, so you will gonna borrow.
or security.
Okay, you will gonna borrow from the security. Tingnan mo din. You will gonna borrow from security. Of course, that's the first thing. You will gonna ask, okay, can I charge my battery? Like that, okay? So just in case emergency. So we have here some dialogue, okay? Let us read the dialogue. Okay, I am Claire and you are Ethan. Okay, so this dialogue is about charging stations. Okay, look at the girl. She's holding a phone. Okay, so Claire, excuse me, my phone's battery is died. Are there any charging stations here? Oh, go Ethan.
No, but the convenience store should have a charging station. You can try there.
Where is the nearest convenience store?
There's one downstairs on the first floor.
Okay, that's great. Do you mind showing me where it is?
No problem. Follow me.
Oh no, it looks like I've forgotten my phone charger. Do you have charger?
Here, you can borrow mine.
Thank you so much. Okay, very good. So what do you think they're talking about, Carol? What do you think they're talking about?
They are talking about battery died.
Okay, they're talking about the battery died. Okay. So, okay. So where do you think the first thing that Claire said is Claire is asking or looking for charging stations? Do you know what is charging stations? Do you know what is it?
No, I don't.
Okay. Charging stations in the mall, there are many. You can find them everywhere. So next is, so what did Claire said? What Ethan said? Ethan said that there is what?
Ethan said
Mm-hmm.
she she has the charger.
Ethan said there is the one nearest convenience store. There's maybe a a charging stations there.
In Vietnam, we don't have charger stations.
Okay. So, oh no, looks like I've forgotten my phone charger. Do you have charger? So Claire is trying to ask charger from Ethan. Okay. How about you? Do you have phone? Do you have phone? I know.
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, I do. Okay, what is the famous phone in Vietnam? Samsung or iPhone? What do you think is the
iPhone.
famous one? iPhone. Okay, do you have iPhone? Do you have?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes. Okay, what is the brand of your iPhone? iPhone 11, iPhone 13, what is that? What iPhone? What iPhone?
In Viet
iPhone
in
11.
Vietnam, we don't.
In Vietnam, what is that?
In Vietnam, we don't have charge station.
Okay. Ah, you don't have charge station. In my country, in my country, we have so many charging stations in the mall, or even in the city. Okay, even in the terminal, in the port, we have so many charging stations. Okay, we can charge anything there. Okay, so that's it. That's convenient. Maybe in Vietnam too. There are many charging stations. Okay, in the port, in the terminal, in the mall, there may be charging station because that's very important. Okay? So we have here. Now, can you choose the correct word to complete expressions? Okay, can you please read and answer? Just read, do not write. Read and answer. I want you to read. I want
Can,
you to talk a lot. Can I?
can I please borrow your charger?
Okay, correct. Can I please borrow your charger? Number two.
My phone's battery is dead, but I forgot my charger.
Very good. I forgot my charger. Three. That's your.
On my phone.
Okay, that's your phone. Oh, are you sure that's your
Charge,
phone? That's your.
charger.
Okay, that's your charger work on my phone. Very good. Four.
Thank you. I'll give back your charger in a few minutes.
Thank you. I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay. Do you know where the nearest block?
Do you know where the nearest charging station
Very
is?
good. Yes. Do you know where the nearest charging station is? Very good. Okay, so this one. Okay. So here, arrange the expressions to ask for help when your phone's battery is dead. Okay, what do you think you will gonna do? You write only the letter, ha? Okay, or you can speak to teacher. What do you think is the correct letter of your choice? Okay, what do you think is the correct letter?
Number number one is letter B.
Mm-hmm. Wait, wait, wait,
Excuse
wait.
me.
Number one,
Can,
okay? X. Can you please read?
ex- excuse me. Can I borrow your charger? My phone's battery is dead.
Okay. Number two, one. Excuse me. Can I borrow your
Number two.
charger? My phone's battery is dead. Okay. Okay. The response? I'm sorry. I will be the one to read the response. I'm sorry, but I cannot. I don't have the charger with me. Number two.
Okay. Do you know where I can find a charging station?
Okay. So yes, I do. You can find one in all of the subway station.
Where is the nearest subway station?
Just walk down the street and turn right at the Escobar Avenue. So in letter C, what do you think in letter C? The person is asking where is the nearest subway station. Do you know subway station? Do you know what is subway station?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So how many subway stations do you have in Vietnam? In your place, in Bong Tau? Like how many? In Bong Tau, like how many subway stations do you have? Okay. What do you think? Like in Bongkao, do you have nearest subway
In
stations or no?
in Vũng Tàu, I don't have subway station,
Okay,
but
don't
there
have.
is a
But there is
but
rain.
there are a lot of subway stations in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah, because they're big city. Okay. Have you ride subway station or have you been there?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Pretend that your phone's batteries died. You ask for help from your teacher. Example, you ask from me. So this is the challenge. How can you know if someone's charger will work on your phone? Example, you borrow charger from me. How will you know, Carol, that your charger or that my charger will work on your phone? Okay. So the scenario, your phone's battery is dead and you need to make a call. You asked to borrow someone's charger. Okay, please think how you will gonna say to teacher that you want to borrow my phone. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. If you're ready, you tell me. I do not try to speak. I want you to speak it up.
I think I will ask, can I borrow your charger? My battery is dead. Is there
Okay, go again. Okay. I am a teacher and you
can
want to borrow again. Go.
can I borrow your charger? My battery is dead
Mm-hmm.
and I need to make a call.
Okay.
Is there uh
Mhm.
is there nearest charging stations?
Mhm. Yes. Is there a nearest? Okay. Nearest. Is there a nearest convenience store or a store where I can charge my phone? Where can, next, the last one. Where can
Where can I
I,
find a convenience
okay, where
store?
can I find a convenience store? Okay. So now, how can you know if someone's charger will work on your phone? Example, you borrow charger from me already and you will gonna test if it's working in your phone. How will you know if it works on your phone? How will you know it?
Don't know.
How will you know if it works in your phone? How will you know? You will? Or you think, after you think, you tell me the answer. How can you know or how will you know if someone's charger will work on your phone? Because you borrow charger, example me, you borrow charger from me. So how will you know that the phone or the charger that you borrow from me will work on your phone? What happened, Carol? Okay. So what do you think?
I,
What you are gonna do?
I know.
Okay, so what you are gonna do first?
I will ask if I will ask before lend a charger.
Okay, you will gonna ask the charger. After, you will gonna, what you will gonna do? You will gonna test it. Okay, you will gonna test. Oh, let us try if the charger will work on. Oh, you have to do that. You have to say that, right, Carol? Okay, so this one. Okay, next topic, Carol. Let us talk about this one. Okay, so next is asking for direction. Now, look at the picture. You look at the picture. What do you think are the people doing, the man and a woman?
They I think the man asked the woman for direction.
Okay, I think that the woman is asking directions. And what do you think? Who is this guy? What do you think the guy is doing?
I think they are going to ask for directions.
Okay, you all gonna ask for directions.
Here,
The guy is asking for direction. Maybe it's a girl. I don't know if the girl, maybe it's the girl who asked direction. And the boy is the one who tell where is the proper directions. Okay. Have you tried, Carol, that you ask direction? Have you tried that you ask direction?
no, I haven't.
Okay, so you haven't. You haven't asked for direction? Okay. So
Yes.
have your family member asked directions? Your mom, your dad, have you tried that you ask permissions?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
what did
I
you
have.
observe? What did you observe when your dad asked direction? Oh, where is the supermarket? Oh, okay. Next one. Okay. How do you ask for direction, Carol? If you're already lost in a city you are visiting. Oh my God. If you lost in a city you are visiting, how you will gonna ask direction? Oh, how you will gonna ask it? Okay, you tell me. Okay.
Will ask some people about the direction to go to my city.
Okay. So you will gonna ask for direction if you lose in a city you are visiting. Okay, now let us have here the dialogue. Okay, I am the tourist and okay, you are the policeman. I am the tourist and you are the policeman.
Okay.
Okay, now excuse me. I'm trying to get back to my hotel, but I don't know where I am. Can you help me?
Sure. What brings you to this area anyway?
I will spend my summer vacation here. So, okay, wait. I will spend my summer vacation here. So I want, okay. So I will spend my summer vacation here. So I wanted to take a look around the area.
Okay. What is the name of the hotel you are trying to get back to?
It is called Vibe Hotel. Do you know how can I get back there?
Yes, I know that hotel well. It's not far away from here.
So happy to hear you say that. If you could just point me in the right direction, that would be great.
No problem. Just head straight
Great.
for the block and then turn left onto Park Street. You'll see your hotel next to the pedestrian crossing.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for your help. So now, what do you think they're talking about? What do you think the tourists is getting worried about? What do you think the tourist is getting worried about?
I think the tourist is asking the policeman about the direction to go to the hotel.
Okay, so the tourist is asking the policeman that he was lost in the hotel. Okay, so here now. So I have here, please try to review this one. And after a while, so you have question to answer. Okay, please review ha. If you think you're done reviewing, you tell me. Okay, so please study that one. And after a while, you tell me ha if you're done studying. Okay, you tell me ha if you're done.
Okay, teacher.
Isa po lang. Sabi ko istorya ay it feels like heaven. Can you tell me ha if you're done or not?
I am finished. I am done.
Okay, so now look at here. Here they are talking about the tourist which was lost in the hotel, and she asked help from the policeman to tell her where is the hotel that she stayed. Okay, so now please try to answer the question. Where was the tourist? Sorry, where was the tourist trying to go?
The tourist trying to go to the hotel.
Okay, trying to go back to the hotel. Go back, huh? Okay. What do you ask someone if you don't know where you are? What do you ask to someone if you don't know where you are?
I will ask, where is it?
Okay, again.
I
Ag-
will ask, where is it?
Okay. What do you ask someone if you don't know where you are? What do you ask? What? You will gonna ask? What you gonna ask? Okay, what you gonna ask to someone if you don't know where you are? What you gonna ask? You will ask what? Oh, ay, load mo rin. Pang iring. Asa mo itong pumin ako? Ibot to. Kaya sa tumin na. Higit mo tumin ko.
I will ask, where is it?
Okay, you will gonna ask, where is this place? Oh, first thing first, you will gonna ask, where is this place? Now, what do you ask to someone if you want to know how to get to a certain place? Example, okay, I want to go there in that convenience store, but I don't know where. How you were gonna ask to someone?
I will ask, can you can you show me where is the place? Where is this place?
Okay. Okay. So what do you ask to someone if you want to know how to get to certain place? You will gonna say, good morning, or how will you gonna say it? Example, like this in the picture. You want to ask to someone where is the convenience store? How you will gonna say it? Okay, how you will gonna say it? Example, you want to ask to someone a place. So how you will gonna say to someone? What you will gonna say?
I can say where I can say, could you tell me the way to this place?
Okay, very good. Okay, you will say, okay, can you please tell me where is this place? Okay, that's very good. Another, aside from that, what you're gonna say, example, you want to go to the restaurant because your mom and dad is there. How you will gonna ask to the security guard, where is that place?
Will ask, can you show me? Could you show me the way to the restaurant.
Hey, very good. Can you please show me where is this restaurant? Wow, great job. See? Okay, so here. Now, please, this one, of course, you have to write. Please write this in the chat box. This one only. You put the letters in correct orders to complete the sentence. But, sorry, Carol, please get back in the Zoom again, huh? Teacher don't have enough time. Please get in the Zoom again.